Most people think money controls the world. But what if I told you one invisible system actually controls the money itself? A system so strange that even billionaires are afraid of it. A system that decides whether your salary goes up, whether your country gets rich, and even whether your bank survives the next 24 hours. And almost nobody knows how it works. Today you will. Before we jump in, hit like if you want more real stories about how the world actually works. In 2008, banks around the world almost collapsed overnight. Not because they ran out of money, but because they ran out of something called trust. Yes, trust. The thing your parents say not to break, and the thing your bank depends on to even stay alive. When people stopped trusting each other, trillions of dollars vanished in a single week. Not physically, but digitally erased like a file you delete. Everything you think is solid about money is actually fragile. And the scary part? It can happen again in seconds. But what exactly is this trust the whole system depends on? We'll get there. First, we need to understand who controls it. No, it's not politicians, not billionaires, not Wall Street. It's central banks. These quiet suit-wearing people in nondescript buildings can literally create money with a sentence, or destroy markets with a single meeting. They don't print money, they type it. A few keystrokes, and boom, billions appear. A few more, and billions disappear. They decide interest rates, they decide inflation. They decide whether your country feels rich or feels poor. And here's the craziest part. You didn't vote for them, and you can't fire them. If you're still here, hit subscribe because most people click away before they finally understand this stuff, but you're not most people. So how does money actually appear? Most people imagine printing machines. Wrong. Let's say the government wants to spend $1 trillion it doesn't have. Here's what actually happens. 1. They create a bond, basically an IOU. 2. Central bank buys it digitally. 3. New money appears in the system, literally from nothing. This is called monetary expansion, but let's call it what it is, legal magic. And this magic has a cost. Every time money is created, your money becomes worth slightly less. Not immediately, but slowly, quietly, year after year. This is why everything feels more expensive, even though your salary stays the same. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Every major country is in debt, but none of them are trying to pay it off. Instead, they rely on the loop. Debt, new money, inflation, more debt, repeat. Sounds dangerous, right? It is, but without it, the economy collapses. Jobs vanish, banks fail, markets crash. This system isn't designed to end. It's designed to continue forever. Which leads to the final terrifying question. Are we safe, or are we sitting on a ticking financial time bomb? No one can predict when the system cracks. Not economists, not billionaires, not even central banks themselves. But one thing is clear. The world doesn't run on money. It runs on belief. On the belief that tomorrow, your dollar will still matter. Your bank will still stand. If you want more videos that explain the truth behind money, power, and how the world secretly works, subscribe because the next episode is even crazier.